Koose. This is koose. Koose made with beans. Normally, they eat this with house kuku. But you'll hear this kitchen am I and kama kondo. Pocho epibia brebe GBI. Very nice. And let's make this together. Peeled beans, and we are going to wash it. I've soaked it since morning, so you can get this from any supermarket. Yes, that is closer to you. I've soaked it since morning, so it's very soft, and it has also doubled in size or roquefort. At this time, we are going to blend our vegetables and our beans together. My blender is very powerful. Yes, you can add water if you need to. That's why I'm starting with the onion, so it can generate some amount of liquid. Yeah, and then we are going to add in our salts. Don't forget to add in your salts. Yeah, or don't skip through the video. So I'll be adding in some eggs as well. That's how I love it. It's optional, but trust me, it comes out really nice and beautiful. We've got some gingers over here, and we are adding them. Chili, everything. Let's go for it. There you go. First one is ready, and I really love how it came out. Very smooth. Look, very smooth, nicely. Look at this one. Look, beautiful. So far, this is our beans dough, and because I mixed them or blended them in batches, I'm trying to mix everything together so it will all be, having one taste. Orokodo, look at this. Blend and one, I'm gonna come. So don't skip through the video. As you can see, my oil is also beautifully ready, waiting for the dough to chicho it. So far our oil is ready, and we are going to test our oil. So good food made in a clean environment. This is how the thickness of the dough looks like. You can come closer and have a look. Here it is, and I'll be using my scoop to scoop the dough. So don't skip through the video, keep watching. Hilda's Kitchen, where good food is always made in a clean environment. So guys, let's go for it. Make sure you minimize the heat. Yes, minimize the heat. It's more or less like frying bofrot. So here we are, guys. It is cooking very nicely. The first one, the oil seems to be, really ready, but you have to take it easy. Your beans, bofrot. How do you call it in Nigeria? Is it akara? No, is it akara, or I've forgotten the name in Nigeria, how Nigerians call it. So here we go. Koose na mrechu no ehwe na akondo na ofe na enze busy koose na matoba merichon beans bofrot na matoba merichon akondo ai pocho butobia ye nantam ye limited edition on gel na wasa orokodo as na ya kondo but you know your bofrot it's not bofrot or your koose na macho na kondo dam in your house kuku butumeza and in your hot tea crana it doesn't matter obafa. So our koose is ready and it's coming out. Yes, Shana. First batch is ready. I thought my camera was on. Unfortunately, it wasn't. So this is the first batch, and we are going to go back again. Yes, Orokodo, stay tuned. And koose no, why ready? This is koose. Put you on your bofrot or your koose. Yes, made with beans. It's all made with beans. Yes. Ooh, shana kondo. Shana kondo. Voila, shana kondo. Shazanatazi. Koose. Yes. It's available at Hilda's Kitchen. Order yours. Koose.